trace 2.
Now trace 2 number.
Yes. Okay.
You stop your beat.
Stop your beat.
Good morning, you guys. I hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to another episode of More Mau. Yes, it's More Mau and not More Mau. You guys must be thinking, what have I put on my face? And if you saw carefully in the last vlog, I already had 2 pimples in by the end of the vlog, and then later I got 2 more. So there was like a whole line on my left cheek. Chevy could play standing line, sleeping line on my face. So I got this PR package. I'll show it to you later. I don't even know how to pronounce that brand. It's not sponsored, but whatever products that I get, I always test it out on my face, body, hair, whatever, and then only talk about it. May it be sponsored or non-sponsored. It's very scary for me to start because that product, like that whole range, is meant for oily to acne prone skin. Okay, so I was really scared because I have like Sahara Desert dry skin, right? So I was really worried, but it's working out great. It does dry out my skin. So this is the face wash actually. So you're just supposed to wash your face with plain water, pat dry it, and then use that face wash as a cream, as a mask. Keep it for 5 minutes and then wash it off like a normal face wash, and then follow it up with the serum ka I cannot tell you guys much because I have just used it like 2 days ke liye hi, but this face wash I have been using from past 3 to 4 days, twice a day, and it's working wonders. Mere sare pimples are going and only 2 are left out of the 4. So yeah, a big thumbs up. Plus it's affordable as well. I think it's just for 300 rupees. Please read the ingredients before you buy it because it's like a proper chemical. Okay, it's like a proper medicine which Dermat gives you. It's not like your organic fool patto wala product. Okay, this is a proper medicinal product. So yeah, so this is what I use. Uske baad, this is the serum that I was talking about. This is more drying than the face wash, and this retails for 875. This is expensive, and I will not tell you guys to buy it right now because I don't have opinion on this yet because it's just been 2 days that I'm using it. These products smell really bad. Okay, like really bad. So yeah, just giving you a heads up. I can't believe that I'm using products which are meant for oily and acne prone skin. Like, someone give me a pat on the back because it was a risk to do this. Okay, it's still a risk. I don't know, I will start breaking out anytime, but that is my profession, you guys. Like, I have to try out products, like multiple products on my face and body and hair, and sometimes it goes right, sometimes it goes wrong, but theek hai, anything for you guys. I've spread this all over my face. I'm gonna let it sit for around say 5 minutes, and then I will go in with my favorite Calendula moisturizer like the serum, and that's it. So, तू घरी जाती आहेस?
आता नाही जाते.
मग कधी जाणार घरी?
संध्याकाळी.
पण मम्मा चालली आहे घरी.
मी चालले.
मग तू रात्री जाणार आहेस का इथेच झोपणार आहेस? इकडेच झोपणार आहेस? टुडे और टुमॉरो? टुमालो. Okay, it's 12 o'clock and I am watching this movie called The Last Summer. I had not watched it. It's a pretty... Shall we आवाज कमी कर ना वाला please? आवाज कमी कर. Why? So I'm watching this movie called The Last Summer. अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुई है, and I have like a pretty chill day today. I've decided not to work because aaj I will have to work if something comes home. Hi guys, it's the next day and मेरा solid पचका हो चुका है because Jamuna hasn't come home yet. Yes, the person who's gonna come home is Jamuna and वो आई नहीं अब तक घर. शायद आज आ जाएगी. Let's see. Skin update. Wait, let me just decrease the brightness. It's too bright. This is how my skin looks like, and the pimples have reduced drastically. So yes, a big thumbs up to whatever that brand was, Cheryl. So yes, Mansi approves that brand. You can give it a try. I feel so good that I am trying acne prone skin ke liye products, because a lot of my members are having oily skin types, and I always used to talk about dry skin types, and now I can talk about oily skin types as well. Life is so funny and so mean. You should never brag about things in your life. I used to be like, oh, I don't get pimples, I just get small boils, I don't get acne on my face. And then life said, ये लड़की बहुत ज़्यादा brag कर रही है, थोड़े 10-15 पिंपल फेंक देती हूँ इसके स्किन पे. So yeah, never brag in life.
Guys, Jamuna has come home. Let's go.
Okay, so we are doing that move from Android to iOS thing, and there's a problem that I cannot get my WhatsApp chats on iPhone when I'm shifting from Android to iPhone for the first time. I need my chats because, you know, I talk to brands online, I mean on WhatsApp, and there are some deals which are written in the chat and I cannot afford to lose those chats. So Bhakti Didi is gonna do something. Apparently, according to Sahil, it's not possible, but Bhakti Didi has taken the challenge. He's challenged her. She has to get my WhatsApp chats in my iPhone. So there is some third-party app that I have to download and stuff. So I'm gonna do that on my laptop. And yeah, I think today is also gonna be behind this phone. I don't think I'm gonna work today. I have to get used to this phone and stuff. So let's go. Bhakti Didi, Didi. Which app am I supposed to download?
एक बार टाकून मग आय केअर फोन करून गूगल कर.
Look at my halat, you guys. It's still not happening. I'm still doing the work, and apparently, wait, let me show you. It's asking for money. It's not free. So if I have to do this, I have to spend $50? $36.
One eternity later.
We did it! Everything is there in my phone. iPhone, all the chats. Yes! Hey Siri.
Oh God, because my phone is here. That is why. तू माझ्या याच्यामध्ये फालतूगिरी केलीस ना.
Bhakti Didi has my voice in her phone, that's why. Hey Siri. Good morning, you guys. It's Sunday today, and it's been an eventful weekend for me, and that's why I could not vlog yesterday. Cannot tell you guys about everything, but yeah, it was an episode. Plus, I was down with period cramps, so I could not vlog yesterday. But I'm gonna vlog today, and I feel like a loser because naya phone hai, okay, and I have not clicked a single picture with this phone. So you can imagine how busy and how hectic everything was. So today we are gonna change that fact. So I have got some new backgrounds and I'm gonna put it over here. My makeup's done. I'm all set. I'll just have to change my clothes, figure out what clothes I want to wear, and some jewelry. And I don't know if I should start clicking pictures on my phone or on my camera. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, let's go. So some people can go and you know, copy my pictures and claim as theirs. You know which fake account I'm talking about. If you know what I'm talking about, comment down below.
2 hours later.
मुझे रोना आ रहा है, literally रोना आ रहा है. Just look at the mess, you guys. Oh my god. Someone please come and help me out. मेरा कमर दर्द बढ़े जा रहा है, you guys. Now I know why. नहीं मर ये 1 number है ना इसे. खाली बघा.
पुढे अजून आतमध्ये शिकी हां शेजा पुढे 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 जायचं जा पुढे पुढे वरती वरती जा असं बरोबर आहे.
Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog because it's been a long vlog. I have no idea मेरे पास कितना footage है. I'm sitting to edit right now and hopefully आज ही edit होके आज ही post कर दूंगी. But थोड़ा late आएगा. I think around 8 o'clock आ जाएगा. Not at 7 o'clock as usual. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment on what other videos you want me to do. I'm gonna mention all of my real links of all of my social media handles in the description box below. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye. हाँ, ये सब मैंने कल सब प्रैक्टिस कर लिया. मैंने ये सब
प्रैक्टिस किस पे?
मैंने 4 वीडियोस देखे कल. Cons of iPhone.